How to find Binance Referral ID. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how easily you can find the referral ID in your Binance account. So let's get started. First thing first, make sure that you have installed Binance application in your device. Once you have installed it, let's go ahead and open it. And then also ensure that you are logged into your specific Binance account. Once you do so, you will see a page like this. In here, tap onto the Binance logo on your top left-hand side. And under this section, you will see referral button. Tap it. And likewise, you will see your referral code as well as your referral link. You can go ahead and tap on this copy button of referral link, and then you can share it to anybody, and this will be your ultimate referral link. Just like so, guys, this is how you can do the same as well. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.